Hello everybody, welcome to iKears. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable edit mode. Like always, I will have my screencast keys enabled at the bottom left of my screen. And with that being said, let's get into the video. To enter edit mode, it's really simple. All you want to do is select an object that you want to go into edit mode and edit, and then press tab on your keyboard. As you can see, I now have the option to select any vertice on the object. Now, what you can do to these vertices is you can just move them. And as you can see, I can make a little spiky ball when I move the object, or the vertices on the object. And I have this little spiky orb thing. If you found this video tutorial useful, make sure you like and subscribe. And with that being said, bye-bye.